Nowadays, almost everyone has become more health conscious. They pay more attention to what they eat, try to work out more, and attempt to make better overall decisions. But the truth is that no matter how much they try, everyone's metabolism starts slowing down with age. Our thyroid, an endocrine gland that lies at the base of our neck, produces hormones that play an important role in most of the metabolic processes in our body. When it produces too much of a certain hormone, we may develop a condition called hyperthyroidism. If the opposite happens and it doesn't produce enough of a certain hormone, that's called hypothyroidism. Either one of the imbalances can have serious health repercussions, but they're not always easy to detect. So instead of waiting until the condition is advanced to start treating the symptoms, it's better to prevent our thyroid from over or underproducing hormones. There are 2 natural ingredients that everyone has on their kitchen shelves that can help solve your thyroid problems: honey and walnuts. This combination has been used for centuries to stimulate our thyroid and maintain a hormonal balance. When consumed regularly, it can prevent your thyroid from producing too much or not enough of any hormone. Here are some of the benefits of both of these ingredients. Walnuts. Walnuts taste great and are very nutritious, being rich in selenium, a substance that affects your thyroid activity by stimulating hormonal balance. Green walnuts are the best kind since they're the ones with more selenium. They also contain fatty acids which keep inflammation from occurring in the gland. Honey. Honey is one of the best substances we can ingest as humans. It has purifying properties that protect us from toxic substances and maintain our thyroid health. Now that you know about the ingredients, here's the recipe. 40 green walnuts, 3 cups of organic honey, a glass jar. Instructions. Chop up the walnuts into small pieces and place them in the jar, then cover them with the honey. Mix them well and then place the closed jar in a well-ventilated area away from sunlight. Let the ingredients sit for a little over a week. After the time is up, you may consume the remedy. It is recommended that you eat 2 teaspoons every morning on an empty stomach or with your normal breakfast. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.